Turkey has once again made history in military aviation with the successful completion of its Bayraktar Kızılelma PT-4 unmanned combat aircraft through climb and aggressive maneuvering tests. This success marks the continuation of a series of flight tests conducted to ensure the Kızılelma is fully operational as Turkey's first unmanned combat aircraft. The Bayraktar Kızılelma was developed by Baykar Technology, a defense company also known for its Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci drones. With the PT-4, Turkey demonstrates its commitment to continuously expanding its unmanned aerial capabilities, even extending to the realm of high-tech fighter aircraft. The successful climb and aggressive maneuvering tests demonstrate that the Kızılelma not only has stable flight but also possesses combat capabilities close to those of manned jets. Aggressive maneuvering is one of the most crucial tests in fighter aircraft development as it relates to agility and survivability in aerial combat. The Kızılelma's success at this stage demonstrates that Turkey is getting closer to its goal of developing a new generation of unmanned fighter aircraft capable of frontline operations. By design, the Kızılelma is designed to be capable of taking off and landing on aircraft carriers, thereby increasing the operational flexibility of the Turkish Navy. Furthermore, the aircraft is projected to be capable of carrying advanced weaponry, including air-to-air missiles and smart bombs, providing a strategic advantage. Baykar emphasized that the Kızılelma is not just a drone, but a transformation into an unmanned fighter aircraft capable of standing on par with fifth-generation manned fighter jets. In climb tests, the Kızılelma PT-4 successfully demonstrated the performance of its powerful engines, capable of responding quickly to changes in altitude. Aggressive maneuvering tests then demonstrated solid aerodynamic capabilities, allowing the aircraft to maneuver agilely even without a pilot in the cockpit. The embedded artificial intelligence technology is also a crucial factor, as it enables the aircraft to make quick decisions in dynamic situations. This demonstrates that Turkey is not only producing conventional UAVs, but is also stepping into a new era: autonomous unmanned combat aircraft. Baykar itself stated that this successful test is a significant milestone towards the full operational readiness of the Kızılelma. Turkey aims to have this aircraft in the military inventory in the near future, strengthening its air deterrence. The ongoing flight tests prove that the Kızılelma program is not just a grand ambition on paper, but a reality on the ground. The presence of the Kızılelma also sends a political and military message to the world that Turkey is now capable of producing global standard military technology. In a geopolitical context, this aircraft emphasizes Turkey's independence amidst embargoes and restrictions on technology transfer from the West. This independence is even more relevant after Turkey was removed from the F-35 program, prompting Ankara to develop its own alternative. With the Kızılelma, Turkey demonstrates that international pressure actually accelerates domestic innovation. The Kızılelma's aggressive maneuverability also opens up significant opportunities for future combat strategies, particularly in close-range air combat. This aircraft is capable of reducing the risk of casualties because it can be controlled remotely or even autonomously, without a pilot in the cockpit. This allows Turkey to more boldly deploy this aircraft in high-risk missions, such as raids into enemy territory with heavy air defenses. Beyond its combat function, the Kızılelma also has the potential to be used for reconnaissance, air patrol, and precision strike support. The technology it carries also allows for integration with networks of UAVs and manned fighter jets in a manned-unmanned teaming concept. This means the Kızılelma could act as a digital wingman supporting human pilots in complex air operations. Baykar emphasized that this concept is part of a strategy to create an intelligent and integrated air force. The aggressive maneuvering test also demonstrated that the Kızılelma's control system is highly responsive and safe to use. The aircraft is equipped with a modern avionics system capable of detecting threats and quickly adjusting flight tactics. This success is inextricably linked to Baykar's experience in developing the TB2 and the Kinsi, which have been tested in various global conflict zones. The Kızılelma, however, brings a much higher level of technology, focusing on more complex combat air missions. With these capabilities, the Kızılelma has the potential to become Turkey's leading export product in the future. Many of Turkey's allies are now interested in following the development of the Kızılelma, as they previously acquired the TB2. If successful in mass production, the Kızılelma could expand Turkey's defense export market and strengthen Ankara's position as a global UAV manufacturer. Beyond its export potential, this aircraft is also a crucial element of Turkey's national defense strategy. With the Kızılelma, Turkey can compete with other countries' air forces without having to rely on much more expensive manned aircraft. The success of this latest test demonstrates the increasing maturity of Turkey's engine and aerodynamic technology. The next step is to expand testing to more realistic combat scenarios, including integration with advanced weaponry. Baykar is committed to continuously improving the Kızılelma's performance until it reaches full combat readiness. Turkey also plans to develop advanced variants with more powerful engines and advanced sensor systems. All of this aims to make the Kızılelma competitive with unmanned combat aircraft from countries such as the United States, Russia, and China. However, the Kızılelma's strength lies in the cost efficiency and operational flexibility it offers Baykar. The recent successful aggressive maneuvering test further cements Baykar's reputation as a pioneer in modern combat UAVs. With all these achievements, the Bayraktar Kızılelma PT-4 is not only a symbol of technology, but also a symbol of the independence and renaissance of the Turkish defense industry in a new era.